Oh, it's going to be a beautiful day today. Probably one of the last nice days before spring again, before it starts snowing next week. So we're going to take adventures this week, or today, excuse me, and go out and see things and do things. And we're going to bring you all along with us. Tunnel of Love. Tunnel of Love. Here we are driving down one of the last few nice days. It's the Mississippi River. We're doing a road trip going to Wisconsin. Oh, look at all the ducks. Wow. They're getting ready to migrate. Not many colors to see, not many leaves left on the trees. Madison ahead, where I used to live. I moved from. That's a different location. Yeah, we were on a cruise there. Good one to take a cruise. Look at that. Beautiful. The sun. Maybe Wisconsin welcomes you. We're ready for that. Here we are, communing with nature. We are at the Willow State Park in Wisconsin, and we are doing some hiking today on this beautiful day. Got my walking stick. We're going to go see what we can see. It's an adventure. A commune with nature. It's so cool. Weather's nice. Just a beautiful fall day.
Going down the hill, going down and down. Yeah, you can hear the sound of. Follow the sound.
Yellow Book Road, Dorothy.
It's not too busy today.
Not too bad.
Good
Get the
time.
kids out when that's time.
Will be crowded later.
Okay, here we are walking in the woods, trail hiking in the Willow State Park. I'm wondering, when I was a young kid, I once got lost out in the woods. I wandered off, I wasn't paying attention, and I thought, uh-oh, I'm in trouble. And I walked, and I walked, and I walked, and I walked, and I wasn't sure. But one time, with the star of this show, his name is Tim Shaw. And Tim Shaw we took his kids. He lives in California. We took him out into the, look at the beautiful stream, guys. Beautiful river. Coming to a waterfall. It's beautiful. And Tim Shaw, we went up in the mountains and he thought he had the map. And after a couple hours of hiking, he realized he didn't have the map and he didn't know where we were. And we were with his daughter, who was about 8.5 at the time, and she had her tap shoe or ballerina shoes on. Not so good for mountain hiking. Well, needless to say, we got lost and we're up in the mountains. We couldn't get a cell signal. And so we were walking and it's getting dark and we're getting worried. And the poor little girl's feet were so sore she couldn't stand it. We thought, oh, we're gonna be sleeping out here at night. And they told us to go the way back. And the little girl called her mom and said, Mom, we're lost. And she goes, well, that figures. And I thought, what does that mean? And so we found our way back, only to find that the map in my back pocket all along. So if that wasn't bad, we get home to his house.
So beautiful. Oh my.
Oh, it's beautiful here, Anna. A guy climbed up that vertical rock with no safety harness, and he just climbed right up. I don't know how, but he did. The guy was like a monkey. He went straight up. Whoa, the heck. It's beautiful. There could be gold down there. Me and James just pan for some gold. Show this to James. James, there's gold down here. We got to come and pan it. Boy, what a nice day to take a walk in fall, huh? This is a beautiful
We've never
fall.
been in this area.
Well, now
This is
you
the
are.
first.
Well, now you know.
We always just stop
Well, no.
in the falls.
Yeah.
You got a service spot?
No, she just has an
She
orange
has a-
vest because of hunting.
Oh,
So we don't.
good. Boy, yes,
trust.
some idiot would. I remember once
say
when
hi?
I was young,
Let's say hi.
walking through the woods and a deer ran by. I can hear the bullets going by.
I don't.
It's like
I don't
people go
trust.
crazy. No, that's a
So
great idea. I
we
never.
picked a bright color one.
Yeah, that's great. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi, baby. What kind of dog?
She's a lab mix.
Famous. You're gonna be famous.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Walking down a trail of life. She's on a life's journey. There she is. There she goes. I'm coming. We are taking a trail hike, walk through the woods by the waterfall and adjacent to the river. We've never been down this area before, so we're just exploring. Walking the path of life's journey. Whee! A lot of people are out today with their kids, with their dogs.
We've never been in this area.
Never
We
been in
always
this
just
area.
stop
We're
in the falls.
So we got a video in case we get lost. We can send it to somebody and say, help us. How do we get out of here?
Find us.
Yep. We don't have the map. So we have no idea where we're going. My wife's life's journey.
Do you know where we are now?
We're in the middle of the woods. Do I need to be any more clear than that? We're in the middle of the woods.
I know, but
The question is, do you know how to get back? Absolutely not.
uh-oh.
We just keep, oh, look at the lake. Here's the river.
Oh, wow.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Check the beauty of this out. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Now I know where we are. We're in paradise.
Look at,
Look at the
let's
trail.
go this way.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
There is a trail.
We are explorers.
Oh, it's sharp. Oh. Oops, oops. Oh, wow. Look at
Woo,
that.
look at this. Wow. Oops.
Careful.
Yeah. Woo, beautiful. Look at this. Well, you can go swimming out in there. It might be a little cold, though.
But I don't know how deep it is. Though.
Probably musky. Yeah. Look up the tree out of here. Look at them. They're watching us. That's good. I have a story to tell you about a guy named Tommy Schwacker Turtlehead. Very, very nice guy, tall, fit, just a good personality. Well, he was, when I was going to school there, we were roommates. We had 3 guys and 1 woman in our flat. And Tommy was, he worked at as a bartender part-time up by the Capitol. A lot of nice, beautiful women would go there. And he was sort of on display. So he was a womanizer. He always had a really hot woman in his life for like a day. And one time, 28 days, he had a new woman every night. Except for the 28th day, he's banging on my door. John, get up, get up, get up, get up now, get up. It's like, 8 in the morning. He's like, what the heck, what's going on? I open up my door. He grabs a hold of me, he's shaking me, with his eyes popped out of his head all red. He goes, you gotta come look at this. I said, what? He goes, come and look at this. He goes, I know I came home alone last night, and when I woke up in the morning, I went to make the bed, and there was a lump in it. He thought it was the pillow. And I said, turned around, I said, you know what? You're gonna have to deal with this. I'm not gonna deal with this. I went back to bed, and he swore he'd never drink again. I'm telling you, and I was witness, he didn't drink for a week. 1 week. My time comes. Wouldn't that be a cool picture? Put the leash, somebody's leash on him. Walk him around like that. But it's crazy with his full house.
Oh, this is the fun part.
You have to remind me of this stuff. Jeez. Boys.
You can make it. You can
Do
do
I have a
it.
choice? Either that or I'll have to open your back.
So windy. Very windy.
Oh, it's busy over. That's a big park, that's for sure. No, I think the key to remember here is to go our way or forget it. A nice
We
day.
should have like this in the Philippines too.
Oh, I'm sure.
And it's such,
We've been to some nice ones.
but not like this.
Oh, man, there's probably there, but still. Like that one I was telling you about that I saw. It's like this. I mean, it's in size, but it's different. It's all tropical, aqua colored. Just keep driving. See where we end up. Roads going through here, gas stations. It's a beauty. I know there's deer, lots of deer. They had problems with the dam and they had to fix it. It's all back in.
Lunch
The way
for
it was.
today. Taco.
Yep. And a hubby.
And
A hubby for lunch.